Let me ask you something honest. When someone mentions AI at work, do you nod along and quietly hope nobody asks you to explain it? If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Not for developers, not for tech people, for professionals who just want to do their job well and not get left behind. Here is the problem with most AI content right now. It is either written for people who already understand it, or it is trying to sell you something. You search best AI tools for work, and you get a list of 40 tools, none of which tell you when to actually use them or whether they are worth your time. So I did something simple. I tracked the AI tools I kept coming back to over the past few weeks. Not the ones I tested once and forgot about. The ones I actually went back to. There were 5 of them, all free, all useful for normal professional work. And that is what this video is about. Most people have heard of ChatGPT. Far fewer use it in a way that actually saves them time at work. Here is how I use it. Not to write things for me, to help me think faster. I use it to summarize long documents before a meeting. I use it to draft a first version of an email I'm stuck on. I use it to help structure a report when I'm not sure where to start. The free version does all of that. You do not need to pay for it to be useful. One thing to keep in mind, do not paste sensitive or confidential work information into it. Use it for structure and thinking, not for sharing private data. I use ChatGPT when I need a quick first draft and do not want to stare at a blank page. Think of Perplexity as a smarter version of Google search. When I need to research a topic quickly, I no longer want 10 blue links and 3 ads. I want a clear answer with sources I can check. That is exactly what Perplexity does. I use it before meetings when I need to understand a topic I'm not familiar with. I use it to check whether something I've read is actually accurate. And because it shows its sources, I can verify what it tells me. That matters. Because no AI tool is always right. Perplexity at least shows you where it got the information. I use Perplexity when I want a fast answer but still want to verify it myself. This one is underused, and I think it is genuinely useful for professionals. NotebookLM lets you upload documents, reports, PDFs, meeting notes, and then ask questions about them in plain English. Instead of reading a 40-page report to find one answer, you upload it and ask, well, what are the 3 main recommendations in this document? It answers based only on what you uploaded. So it is not making things up from the internet. It is working with the actual document you gave it. For anyone who regularly deals with long reports, policy documents, or research, this saves a significant amount of time. I use NotebookLM when I need to pull meaning out of a long document fast. If you spend a large part of your week in meetings, this one is for you. Otter AI automatically transcribes your meetings and generates a summary. It captures who said what, pulls out action items, and saves everything. I use it so I can actually pay attention during a conversation, instead of trying to write everything down at the same time. The free plan gives you 300 minutes of transcription per month. For most professionals, that is enough to cover several meetings a week. One note: let people know you are recording before you start. It is the right thing to do, and in some workplaces, it is required. I use Otter when I want to stay present in a meeting instead of worrying about notes. Canva is already well known as a design tool, but the free version now includes several AI features that are genuinely useful. Magic Write helps you draft text for presentations or documents. The AI image tool lets you generate simple visuals without needing a designer. And the presentation builder can structure a slide deck faster than starting from scratch. I use it when I need to put together a professional-looking document or presentation quickly and without a design background. The free plan is enough for most standard professional tasks. I use Canva when I need something polished fast and do not want to start from zero. So, 5 tools, all free, all things I'm testing and coming back to. But here is the honest part. None of these tools will transform your career overnight. None of them replace judgment, experience, or real professional skill. What they do is remove friction. They help you get to a first draft faster. They help you understand something quicker. They save you from spending 30 minutes on something that should take 5. That is the realistic version of AI for most professionals right now. Not magic, not a replacement for you, just a set of tools that, if you actually use them, can make your working week a little easier. Start with one, the one that fits a problem you already have. Use it for 2 weeks. Then decide if it is worth keeping. If this was useful, subscribe. This channel is built around one question. What should a professional do next in a world that keeps changing? Every video here is designed to help you answer that question. No hype, no promises, just research, testing, and honest findings. Next, we are looking at one of the biggest career mistakes professionals are making in the AI era, and why it has very little to do with AI itself. See you there.